In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stamp fabric with bleach to create some really unique and fun graphic t-shirts. So if that's something you want to see, stick around. I got the full tutorial coming right up. Hey there, I'm Sarah and you are watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple crafts every week. In today's video, we are going to stamp fabric with bleach. This is a really simple, straightforward craft, and you probably don't need to buy anything new to do it. So let's go through the supplies you're going to need. You want to start out with some t-shirts. A cotton shirt is a great way to go. Grab one that you already have in your drawers or head to a thrift store, or I picked one up at Target for $7. So grab a t-shirt. Then you're gonna need some bleach. This is the same bleach you will find in your laundry room. Nothing special, grab a bottle of bleach. Now I'm gonna show you two ways to stamp. The first way is with a simple household sponge. The second item we're going to use is a rubber stamp, just like this. Now I used to stamp a lot when I did paper crafting, so I have a bunch of these around. But if you don't have a rubber stamp, go head to your local thrift store. You can probably find quite a few of these, or head to your local craft store and pick up a stamp you really like. The wood block on the back is gonna really help you get a good grip on it, and then it's just got the shape on the bottom. So that's all you need. So let's jump in. I'm gonna show you how to prep everything and how to stamp some graphic designs onto a shirt.
All right, so we're gonna start stamping with sponges. You're also gonna need just some regular bleach you can grab from your laundry room. I'm gonna take this sponge and I'm gonna cut it into some fun shapes. So this triangle is what I'm going to use. Then you need a small container, plastic, glass, disposable, whatever works for you. Take a couple sheets of paper towel. And I'm gonna cut them up so there's about 4 layers and that they lay flat in the bottom of my dish. Then I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this bleach on top of the paper towel. You wanna pour just enough that your paper towel is saturated, but you don't want bleach to be standing in that container. Now we can set this aside. So we're just gonna wait for the bleach to soak into the paper towel. Now a few precautions. Whatever surface you're working on, whatever clothes you're wearing, be really careful that you don't get the bleach on you or change into something that you don't mind getting splashed, and use a work surface that is either protected or that you don't mind getting a little bit of bleach on. So let's set this off to the side and grab our shirt. This is just an old t-shirt. It's actually my daughter's that we're gonna be using today. And I've got a big piece of cardboard here to put inside the shirt. All right, so my shirt is prepped. I've got the cardboard on the inside. I've got my little container of bleach and my sponge. Now it's time for the fun part. Dip your sponge in, push it down just a little so it absorbs just some of that bleach. And then we bring it over to the shirt and push it down. And we lift it up. Now with bleach stamping, it's going to take a minute for that to work its way through. You can kind of see it's darkened the color a little bit, but we're just going to keep going, and you're going to see this kind of come to life as we go forward. Once the design is complete, we're just going to leave the cardboard in this and let this dry, let all the water absorb and the bleach really work for a while, maybe an hour or so. And then this shirt is fully washable and wearable. For this next shirt, I grabbed a $7 Target shirt, and we're gonna do the same process on this one. So using that same container with bleach and the paper towel in it, this time we're gonna use a rubber stamp. So again, if you don't have stamps, head to the thrift store. You can grab some of these or your local craft store. Make sure it's clean, there's no ink on the other side. And this shirt is gonna be an all over print look. So, starting up in the corner here, and now we just let it sit, let all that bleach dry, and then this shirt's ready to wear and wash.
That was a really fun and easy technique to master. You really don't need anything special to create this. A sponge, a rubber stamp, and a little bit of bleach. Follow the tutorial I gave you, and you're gonna be creating shirts like this in no time. I've made a couple of these shirts, including a old black tank top that I had that I wanted to update. And of course you saw me make this shirt for my daughter that has all the triangles on it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I share simple crafts like this every week, and I don't want you to miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.